Hello my people, this is Mkulima Shop. Look at what we're presenting to you in our brooders. Very smart, healthy birds at Mkulima Shop. We have improved kienyeji chicks in thousands. All these are improved kienyeji birds in our brooders. These are commercial layers. Yeah. We have capacity to brood for you thousands of birds. This is another structure. On this other side, it's well stocked. We have another structure on the other end, which is also well stocked. Give us a call on 0704 441 628 and we deliver to promise.